I want this to feel like a conversation between me and you. Not a lecture, not another guru speech, just honesty. You didn't get into Forex because you're lazy. You didn't get into it because you're stupid. You got into Forex because you wanted freedom, time freedom, financial freedom, control over your life. And somewhere along the way, that dream turned into stress, confusion, and self-doubt. Let's fix that. The first hard truth. Here's the truth nobody likes to say out loud. Most people shouldn't be trading yet. Not because they're incapable, but because they're mentally unprepared. You were taught entries before discipline, indicators before patience, profits before psychology. That's like teaching someone how to drive fast before teaching them how to brake, and the market punishes that mistake hard. Why you feel confident, then lose. Ever notice this pattern? You study all week, you feel confident, you take a trade. At first, it goes against you. You start watching every tick. Your heart rate goes up. And suddenly, you're not following your plan anymore. You're reacting. That's not a strategy problem. That's a self-control problem. Let me tell you about someone. Let's call him Alex. Alex worked a regular 9 to 5. Every morning, he checked the charts before work. Every night, he watched trading videos. He wasn't lazy. He wasn't careless. But Alex believed one dangerous idea. If I just win more trades, everything will work. So when he lost, he tried harder. More trades, bigger size, more screen time. One month, he doubled his account. The next month, he blew it. And that moment broke him. Not because of the loss, but because he realized he was emotionally addicted to winning. That realization changed how he traded forever. The market is not your enemy. The market is not against you. It's not hunting your stop loss. It's not personal. But it will expose your weaknesses. Impatience, ego, fear of missing out, fear of losing. Forex doesn't create these problems, it reveals them. Quick pause. If this is making sense so far, and you want content that actually prepares you for real trading, hit subscribe. This channel isn't about hype, it's about survival and consistency. The biggest mistake new traders make. Most traders think, I'll manage risk once I start winning. But professionals think the opposite. I manage risk so I can survive long enough to win. Let that sink in. Your account is not there to make you rich fast. It's there to keep you in the game. Every time you over-risk, you're telling the market you don't respect it. And the market always corrects disrespect. Why less trading equals more profit. Here's something that might shock you. The best traders are often bored. They don't chase setups, they don't trade every session, they don't need action. They wait. Because patience is leverage. If you feel the urge to trade just to feel productive, that's not discipline. That's emotion in disguise. Why your strategy is not the problem. Let me say this clearly. If your strategy has any edge at all, your problem is execution. Not indicators, not time frames, not smart money versus retail. Execution. Following rules when it's uncomfortable, accepting losses without revenge, walking away when nothing is there. That's the real work. The shift from amateur to professional. Amateurs ask, how much can I make today? Professionals ask, how well did I follow my rules? That one shift changes everything because profits are a byproduct, not a goal. If you want to trade like a professional, not like someone chasing dopamine, subscribe. You're building a long-term mindset now. Before you trade again, remember this. You don't need to be right. You don't need to win today. You don't need to prove anything. Your only job is to protect your capital and protect your psychology. Forex rewards patience. It punishes desperation. And the moment you stop trying to force money out of the market starts giving you opportunities. So don't trade Forex yet. Not until you respect the process. Not until you accept uncertainty. Not until you understand that consistency beats excitement every time. When you're ready to trade like a professional, the market will still be here, and so will this channel. I'll see you in the next video.